Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up browser and search Geek uninstaller and press enter. Select the download option over here. Select the zip file and download it. After getting download done, you just need to select this folder icon. Right click on the zip file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, double click on the Geek application. Select yes. Now in this list you just need to find a Roblox player. Just right click on it and select uninstall. This program will help you to delete the leftover files. If it is not uninstalling like me, then you just need to right click on it and select the force uninstall option and select yes, and it will scan for leftover traces. You just need to select the finish option to delete all the leftover files. After getting removed, select the close and just to close stuff here and open up new tab and search Roblox download and press enter. Select the first link. Select the download Windows app option and after getting download and install it. After getting installed, then you can now play the Roblox without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.